Hello, I'm Sarah with WTA. When it comes to riding my bike at night, and especially in poor weather conditions, I really need a light that I can count on. So this bike light is from BCOIIUE, and it is extraordinarily bright and durable. I literally felt like I was riding my bike with a car headlight on the front. You can even see that bunny rabbit right there in my lawn. This light is so bright. So it comes with the charging cord, it comes with the mounting hardware, and it also has a quick reference card that explains how to toggle through the different light modes. I found this to be really useful, especially in the beginning of using it, so that I could figure out exactly what I wanted, because it goes from normal mode all the way up to extremely bright. It has 8 different modes, and it even has a few strobe options as well. So I would keep that little card around and just until you're familiar with it. The beam of light is so wide and so long that you feel really good riding with this at night, even in the rain. I feel like not only can I see, but I can easily be seen as well. Mounting it on my bike was no problem at all. Even though I have a wider handlebar because I have a cruising bike, this was really easy and adjustable to use. Once it was on, you could also move the light up and down. You know, if you have to kind of adjust it afterwards, that was no problem either. Because you can remove the light even without taking the hardware off of the handlebars, you can easily quickly release the light and take it with you. So you don't have to worry about leaving it behind if theft is a problem, but you can also use this light for guiding you even without the bike. It works great as a flashlight. So this bike light is durable, bright. I'm really happy with it. It's exactly what I was looking for. And that is my point of view.